Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a multi-section solid use in CATIA. Okay, today discuss here multi-section solid command in use in CATIA software. Or multi-section solid command is very important, and this command is some difficult, and this command is very useful, and a large design is created in this command. Okay, this command is very critical, and this command is very difficult, but easily learn a multi-section solid command. Okay, today CATIA lecture 30 discuss here, and CATIA lecture 30 today discuss here. Okay, and this command is a multi-section solid. Okay, at first open a CATIA software, and okay, this is our CATIA software interface, and this is a command is multi-section solid command, and this command is active, and today is not drawing here. At first a 2D sketch is drawing, and then use a multi. At first a 2D sketching drawing a sketch, and use a 3D solid, and this is a last point is active, and last point is use. At first any created a 3D design and 2D design. Okay, at first select a 3D any 3D design and sketch a 2D drawing. Okay, at first select a plane. This tree diagram is showing here, and this plane is a top plane, and select here, and this plane is okay. Drawing a multi-section command is used, and this is a drawing a rectangle, and this rectangle is a okay, this point is a any edit point, and this is a any mention dimension is a this. This point is 100, and this height is 30. And this is a 40. 40, and this is a 50 is correct middle. And exit. And at first use a pad command, and then use a this point is this is a, and this point is a this is a mirror, and this point is a select here. Dragger is equal size. And this point is a shader. And this point is 3 line is drawing 3. First is this face, and second is first is this face, and second is first is this face, and second is a this face, and then a middle line. This face sketch, and a drawing a rectangle. and this plane, this line and this line control, this line is coincident. Okay, okay. And again mention dimension. Okay, and double click here this line. Okay, again this line and this line is okay, this line is 60 and this line is 30. Okay, and this is a 20. Okay, exit. And second is a this middle line is a correct, and this is a parallel line is this sketch. Okay, and draw a any rectangle. This line is a correct, and mention any this line and this line is okay, this and this and this line and this line is a okay, this is a 20. Okay, and this line is a again 60, again 70 is correct, and this line is a 15. Okay, and this line is a 40. Okay, 35 is correct, and select a exit. Okay, 2 point is discussed here, and last point, last rectangle is drawing this face. Click here. Okay, and this is a draw a rectangle. Okay, mention any dimension. Dimension is a this line, and this is this and this and this line is a okay, this is a 15 is this is a 10 correct. Okay, and this is a 50. Okay, and again this is a 55. Draw any value, no problem, any value is putting here, and 20. Okay, not fixed value, but any value is putting here, and draw a solid, draw a multi-section solid. Okay, value change, no problem, and exit. But three drawing is showing here, multi-section is used. Okay, and then use a multi-section solid at this is a multi-section solid, and this is a 3-section multi-section solid definition. First is a select this and this, second is this, and third is this. Okay, but this is important point. First is a closing point first, closing point second, and closing point third. Okay, this is a correct, and this is a section 1, section 2, section 3, but direction is this section is direction is here side, and this is a direction is this direction, and this is a direction. Okay, but this point is showing here but is not showing. Okay, but this direction is not correct. First direction is upward, second is upward, but this direction is a horizontal. This two direction is vertical direction, but this direction is closing point is horizontal. This point is a this opposite side is click here, and this is a preview is showing here. Okay, this is a correct. First closing point direction upward, this direction is upward, but this direction is a this side is not active, but this point is click here, and this is a correct. Okay, and this point is, this direction is here side, but this arrow marks is double click here and direction is change. Okay, and this is a correct, and preview is showing here and correct. Okay, this is our this is a correct multi-section solid. And any color change is a pad, and color is a, this is a pink color. Okay, and multi-section is a, this is a, okay, blue color is perfect, and this color is also this face, and this face is color is a, okay, this color is a correct, and this face is a color is a green. Okay, perfect, and this is a color is a, this color is red. Okay, this is correct. Okay, and also this color is a change, and color is a, this color. Okay, and also correct, also this color is a change here, this is a perfect is this color. Okay, this is a multi-section solid, and use a multi-section solid, and this command is a, this is a command is multi-section solid use in CATIA, and this 3D design is created. Okay, and also also you can say here, this is a also 2-3 lecture is practice CATIA practice tutorial. You can see here, you can see here practice CATIA practice tutorial, and 2-3 design is also created here. Okay, we are going to a very large practice. Then you can say there, CATIA practice tutorial also you can say there, and a large number of practice a multi-section solid and remove multi-section solid also, and also command in use a large number of practice, then use a CATIA practice tutorial is also use very important, and a large number of practice there. Okay, this is a correct. Okay guys, next lecture is coming soon, and CATIA lecture 21st is coming soon, and today discuss here multi-section solid is completed here, and next lecture is coming soon. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.